Hello, my name is Kokwaje. I want to do the presentation of my dentist project. So to begin, I will start the project. This is the login page of the project. For the project, I have two users. I have patient and I have dentist. So according to the user, the home page will change. For example, if I have dentist patient, if I have this patient, okay, patient the password. For example, if the password is wrong, the ID is correct and the password is wrong, you get a message. Now, if the password is correct, you have the home page. Now, if you are a dentist, you want to connect to the application. Okay, dentist. So if you don't put your ID, it's time you ask you to put the ID. And for the dentist, the password is Frank. Password is Frank. So I copy and paste Frank. So for the dentist, you have view upcoming appointments, view the previous appointment, update information, and log out. It's for dentist. So according to the user, the home page will change. Now I try to connect to the patient with the ID A905. So I put the ID. If you don't put the password, it's telling you ask you to put the password. So here you have the information about the patient, the name, last name, address, email, insurance, and the appointment date. So now I will try to make an appointment with the patient A904. So this patient has no appointment, so I make a new appointment for him. Here, person has to select the procedure. So in the database, you have the procedure. This procedure. So I load them in the drop-down menu. So the dentist or the patient can select one procedure button and select the dentist. Select, or you can select the appointment date. 1 May and 6. I can submit. So the application is not completely done, but I present what is done. So for business class, I have the class appointment. I have the class appointment. I have the class appointment. I have the servlet appointment also. I have dentist. For example, for the users, dentist or patients, you must have the ID like this. For example, for the patient this A, or I can take dentist. It is D 201. So the last is D 204. So for the next, I write a function. In the function, I take the last three ID. Here, take the last three, 204. I add 1 here, so it be 205. Then I affect it to the new ID. So the new ID will be D 205. So I have login also, login servlet, patient servlet. Here I have a lot of function. Generate ID, delete, select patient appointment. So here I select the appointment date and the procedure from the patient tab, join to appointment and procedure. So I will need the patient ID and the today's date. So I compare the date, the appointment date to the today's date. If the appointment date is less than today's date, that means the customer has not appointment. If the today's date is higher than appointment date, that means the person has one appointment, so the person cannot make another appointment. So I take my time to write to do many things, but I don't procedure list. For this project, I face so many some problems. For example, when I try to load the procedure in the drop-down menu, so the patient can select the procedure he need, I face a lot of problem to do it. But finally, I find a way to do it. This project is a good project, but my big problem was the time. So I will do better next time. Thank you.